Ashok Singh, and a very happy new year to all of you. I believe you all are having a good wishes or some of the good chances this year. But yeah, let me take you a bit forward in this, and let me say again a happy new year to all of you. Let's come up with some of the new resolutions this year. So we're gonna introduce you some of the good things today, some of the great insights. We'll be starting with my partner's introduction first. Hi, Himanshu.
Hi everyone, this is Himanshu. I hope you are enjoying your day. A very happy new year to everyone. I hope you have made some of the resolutions to do something great in this year. So we are here to make something great. Let's start something.
Yeah, absolutely, Himanshu. I agree. Basically, the year always starts with some of the resolutions, and in the middle of the year, we found ourselves, still struggling with while following all those terms. There could be some of the reasons, like there could be a particular environment that do not support us, or somehow we find like we are in the society, we are in the particular era where people are not like that we want actually. So that actually we come up with this time, and we thought like we need to actually bring something here that can help us to plan accordingly whatsoever things are in our mind, so at least we can execute. Correct? So we are coming with these
Yes,
things. So yeah, yeah, Himanshu.
yeah, absolutely. We need everything. In every year, we need something new. It can be anything, right? You can just take it not very simple. Isn't it like if people don't do anything, just to make the resolution, like today, this year, I will do these things, I will do this. I also made some of the things, but I never did it. So let's start something new from this year. So we have made something new. You have made something new, people. So we'll do it together, make it better, and achieve something good. Right?
Yeah, absolutely, Himanshu. Let's start with both of our introduction first. So this is Ashok, everyone, and I belongs to Delhi. I belongs to a business management background where I am still learning these things. And yeah, I come up with the hope to take the learning further in terms of the great networking and all. Pass on to Himanshu.
Okay. So hi everyone, this is Himanshu, and I'm a student of BBA Management, and where I'm learning about marketing and retail. Mostly it's about marketing, where I'm just getting some insights. I'm still doing that. I'm not passed out of my graduation. I'm just doing the things we are learning. We are just thinking that we will provide it to you as well, the same things, because people just think they know everything, but the most things we have got it right now in this year, in the colleges years, that is unexpected, which we not thought, okay, this is could be done, but yeah, it is. So we are going to share with you the same things, the same insights, the same other all the things. So I'm excited. I hope you are also excited about that.
Actually, so it is very crystal clear that we both are coming with a common goal, common aim. That's to take the learning further and just to bring some of the new steps. I would say in simple ways, just to make something very easy to do. Right, Himanshu? So we are following
Yes,
some of the crucial steps or terms that we can afford as well as we can apply in our daily basis lives, or that will help us in future for a while, right? We'll be
absolutely.
introducing you all a platform today. Himanshu.
Okay, yes. We are going to introduce a very interesting platform which we have given the name, which is Great Network. Okay, so now you have come in like, what is the Great Network? Okay, so Great Network is a basically a very simple platform where we connect, we grow, we learn something better. It's not only about you just learn, you get enjoyment, you get everything, which is not always be seen by everyone. Like on the every places, you see learning theory things not done. Not like this. This is not a platform to learn only. This is a platform to learn and apply as well in the life. So we have made it Greek network where we learned about business, professional and personal development, marketing, network, everything. It's not only about very specific, all about all the things. And you can connect with us to get more insights about it. Pass on to Ashok.
Actually, अगर हम इसको बहुत ज़्यादा simple बनाए हिमांशु for everyone's understanding, so can we say there are some things that only an individual need to grow or just to start their own journey? I'll start with the personal and professional development. Like every individual needs personal development at least, just to understand how the personality looks like, how to show yourself in terms of your soft skills, in terms of your behavior, your body postures, your hand gestures, like how you are mirroring someone, how you are reflecting yourself. So that could be the first option जहाँ पे एक person अपने आप को reflect करता है that what my imaginary image is, correct? So
Yes.
we'll get into more depth what a personality looks like, what personal development is, what professional development is. Because in today's era, we are not into our home, our friend circle, in our boyfriend, girlfriend. Also, we are into workplaces. We are at our business place. We are
Yes.
at workplaces. So we need professional as well as right, Imanshu?
Yes. Yes, why not? Like professionalism is not only about like people think it like भाई like मुझे सिर्फ ऑफिस में जाना है I will be professional, मुझे interviews में जाना है I will become like a gentleman person. It's not only about that only. It's also about the outside area like where you go with your friends, with your colleagues, with your anyone. In the this year, the 2024, the last year in the 2024, I just what I did it, I just make the resolution that I'll connect with a good people with whom I don't know. When I was a mentor in IFCA, I connect with a lot of people and I met them very actually in the past. So that was a great journey, right? People don't. I was when I was going there. I went like चलते हैं भाई. I just went. मैं लोअर टी शर्ट में गया था because they commit. And I thought like people see you how you are coming because you are something. Okay, the same way it's needed every places. Not only like कि ऑफिस में जाना है मुझे या मुझे इंटरव्यूज में जाना है मुझे किसी शादी में जानी है. That's only I will groom it well or I will do my give my behavior well. That's not only about that. It's also about like where you are going. At any place as well. People see first how you look, not other things. This is the one thing I just want.
Clear.
Important to us.
Actually, so like what I have observed till now, like I used to watch some of the business, basically business theories, as well. I used to go with the poetries as well, like some of the people who are actually growing day by day today. So what I see, the background was full of good networking, full of good growth, and also full of good effectiveness of their parents. Like let's take an example of a boy who is in a background जहाँ पे उसका दोस्त लोग are not in the networking, are not in the learning at all. Second person, उसका family background ही ऐसा है, already in the his background comes from business, friends always talk about startups at all. So जो mind है ना वो catch करता है nearby areas को and it attracts the better. So somehow we are thinking to create a community, even we have created. So we are thinking to make it broader, to get a networking which help us to get a personal and professional development and to connect a great majority over the platform so we can learn a lot from each of us. Of course, whatsoever things I have experienced, I'm gonna vomit here. Himanshu has experience, he gonna vomit here. Whosoever needs can take it into their pockets. Right? So and it's a platform where you guys are good to do whatsoever you want. Come with good insights, add and reflect it. It's all about.
It's and one more thing I just wanted to add. It's not only about like I know I can vomit. Ashok knows Ashok can vomit. It's not only about it. You can know, come. Most welcome. You can know whatever you know. You can share it with us because here it's not only about you will know something. We are also gonna learn something, and you are also gonna learn something. So we'll have both the parties in the same frame. Like we are on the same boat only, people. It's not only like we are on the other boat and helping you to reach to the river side. Not like this. We are here in the same boat. We have to reach to a place to get something better. Okay, so you can come. You wish to share something with us. Come it and learn it.
Actually. So let's start it with the good insights today, people. Like we've covered the first part, that is, we'll be talking about more into public and public speaking at gonna be a part of this, but also personal and professional development. So Himanshu, if I'll tell you just to clarify it in a statement, what personal development is, and then I'll go with the professional or anyone.
Okay. So if I will share about what is personal development, so personal development is all about like how you are, who you are in the inside, outside, whatever. It's not only about professional places, any place, informal, formal place, everywhere. Personal development is always a needed part where you can you groom yourself, you behave very well, not using like nowadays people are using abusing languages that you prohibit. You don't use those things. right? That's a personal development where you talk about yourself. You become punctual, you begin time management. Everything is perfect for you. Not only perfect. I don't mostly use perfect because perfection is nothing. It's also about something which is good enough for the people where you are going. Right inside, if you are at your home, doesn't matter how you sit, how you looks like. But when you are just stepping out from your home, you should be something else, who is like you, who is going outside to do something. And people are just, whenever people are saying, okay, so I want it to become like this, isn't it? Like we have seen the celebrities, right? So they, how they sit at home, nobody cares. But when they come step outside also, they groom it well to, because they have a lot of people to follow. There are a lot of people those who follow them. So why don't we can try it? Like people should, there are a lot of people come and they say, I follow you in this particular area, right? This is a great, like when we hear this particular word, like I follow you for this particular personal development part where you did, and I'm also doing the same thing. How much good it is, like सुनने में कितना अच्छा लगता है. So when it goes like this, and that's the thing which you can do it.
Actually, thank you, Himanshu, for the well explanation. Yeah, absolutely. We can also say like personal development refers to the self growth, a self reflection, where we see ourselves, developing. Where we see ourselves, walking on the stairs, climbing on the stairs one by one, and achieving all those small achievements. I'll not talk about big achievements, but daily by daily, or I'll say weekly, we are achieving ourselves. We are like just like I have my personal habit is to read books. If I wanted to complete a book, I'll not say कि भाई एक हफ्ता मैं पढ़ लूंगा नहीं. I just need to read a page, or I'm just making a good notes out of it each day. That's my personal development. I'm reading, my vocabulary is getting sharp. Also, I'm making some good notes. The writing effects also generating side by side. जब मैं उसको लिख रहा हूँ वही brainstorm हो रहा है मेरे mind में. So three kinds of personality development I'm getting with a activity, right? So this is something that
Yes,
personal development looks like. Great thing. And
yes, absolutely.
let's move on to the professional development. Basically, whenever we talk about professional, so it seems like we need to be like this, and it should be like you. So professional always come
Yeah,
with the formal things.
yeah. Like you, people just used to think like I should have to wear formal dress, and
Yeah.
there should be a tie, and I will be looks like I am very professional. Why to wear a tie to become professional? You can wear at any places, doesn't matter. Like informal places people used to wear it. और शादियों में भी लोग टाई पहन के जा रहे हैं. वो नीचे स्नीकर ही पहन रखे बट टाई पहन के आ रहे हैं, कोई फायदा नहीं. This is not a professionalism. Professionalism is something which is like, I can say it like, yes, grooming is good, one part. It's just a one part. Like उसमें बहुत सारे parts, right? It's not only like if I just talk you about, like you are talking about India. अब इंडिया के में 28 states हैं. आप 28 स्टेट्स में से सिर्फ दिल्ली उठा के बात कर रहे हो, वो भी नहीं, दिल्ली नहीं, उत्तर प्रदेश उठा के बात कर रहे हो. So that is not ना, that you are just talking about grooming. मैं अच्छे शर्ट पहन रखी है, ये पहन रखा, स्त्री कर रखी है. That's the one thing. No, not like this. Professional is something more about like time management, as you shared. You have a good people around you. That is also impact on the professional, because people see what who's coming around you. It's your surrounding. वो चार लोग नहीं होते, the four people जो हमने नहीं देखे आज तक.
Yeah.
तो वो चार लोग आगे होते कि इसके बगल में ऐसा ये वो पड़ा, वो खड़ा था. So instead of being go with those people, have a good people in the network, have a good understanding of people, have a maturity type of people. Like people कहते हैं भाई mature होना चाहिए. So that maturity should be there. Isn't it like कि किसी ने थोड़ा सी बात कुछ कह दिया and you get trigger of that. So that is also comes in, because in the corporate life, in your job sectors, your boss, your team leader can say anything to you. अब उसने कुछ बोल दिया, अब उसी में आप ट्रिगर हो गए. Where is professional? That is also a thing ना, कि आपको how is your EI, like which is emotional intelligence, is also a matter of the professionalism. The EI is a very brave part, and you can say the strongest part of your professionalism. Because just like a body needs heart, the same way professionalism needs EI, which is emotional intelligence.
I strongly agree. Like, great. point, Himanshu, that I was not pretty aware of this till now. Like, professionalism always says to be mature, to be very understandable. You should have a credibility in your mind to understand the thoughts of next person while just delivering your next speech. So it happens, like we talk about professional place. It used to be toxic for a while. I have experience, like not only my workplace, there are multiple things I have experienced. So workplace can be, I'll not say toxic, but the environment where all the people are working for a project and seems themselves not achieving the things and get a bit in I'll say in afraidness or in something. So वो particular चीज को trigger करता है, that come up with their personal emotions, जिसमें वो intelligence नहीं होता, वो personal emotions होते हैं, and then it takes the place of a bit angriness, also a bit of I was trying to limit the word, but jealousy also. So these kinds of things comes at these things. So maturity takes a nice place in professionalism. First thing, there should be a great maturity. Good to hear. Also, if there is a clear understanding what to speak, how to speak, with the respect of words and with the respect of next person, that's all about what professionalism looks like, right? So of course there are some of the codes that we follow basically while just sitting in the temple. We used to wear in Hindu culture there's called janeu. In mosque we used to wear that cap, correct? So there are all
Yes.
the things. So similarly in professionalism we are having a kind of being groomed formalism and all, as well as talking to each other, giving titles to each other. So that's a great thing to address your wants, your requirements with the help of respected words, titles. So that actually makes a great impact, right? So yeah, professionalism and personal development makes a great effect while a growth of an individual. If you are good at personal and professional development, you are good to take your chance now. That's all, isn't it?
Yes, absolutely. It like gives both the things, take the both the things, and have a great growth. Very crucial things to develop something in the life.
Yes. So now the again the question comes, why and
Okay.
how we can get.
How we can get it?
Yes,
Simple
the
things
personal
like
and
we
professional.
don't very simple, like just like the how you, it's like those who people play cricket, the people who play cricket, like most of them now right now BGT is happening India Australia. Okay. So nowadays India Australia, like this is the thing which is, so how they are doing the practices to become won their matches. तो भाई डेली प्रैक्टिस करोगे तो हो जाएगा, एक दिन आ जाता है. Same process, you develop one by one day, 2 days, 3 days, nobody days, like you don't know, चलता रहेगा. Okay, so this is the thing.
Yeah. So we'll say ki adding practice, adding your routines into the practice or into the exercises that helps you to reach that particular point that you call personal and professional development. Also, being in touch with the people who are actually developed or good at this. So अगर मैं गिटार सीखने तबले वाले के पास जा रहा हूँ तो मैं तबला ही सीखूंगा, गिटार नहीं सीख सकता. So that's the reason we actually need a good diversity, a good kind of people who can teach us all those things. Networking can be a crucial point in this while learning anything. Let's come up with a new thing now. So let's second point is networking only. We have covered first thing that called personal and professional development. That great network gonna offer you in free, basically. Second, networking comes. So what networking is basically, like whenever this networking comes in my mind, there are lots of networking. Network marketing, digital networking, then marketing, then networking. So what is networking basically? Himanshu.
Very nice question. That very what is networking? Networking is basically, अब networking वाला networking नहीं है कि net आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है.
Is that my networking or not?
that is not one. Okay, so this is one, like how much you are connected with the same mindset or like diverse mindset of people. Like in the society is not about 4 people. Society is not about 40 people. Society is about 1.5 billion people in the India. So in India, how much people you are connected with? right? Or how much they good at. लाइक आप कितने अच्छे लोगों से कनेक्ट हो, कितने अच्छे वो हैं, एंड क्या वो कर रहे हैं. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी हैव कनेक्टेड विद द सेम माइंडसेट ऑफ पीपल. लाइक पीपल, डिडंट यू गेट बोर्ड? और उसका सेम माइंडसेट, सेम वो मेरे द माइंडसेट है. लाइक आई यूज्ड टू थिंक द सेम, ही यूज्ड टू थिंक द सेम, एंड यू आर कनेक्टेड विद दैम जस्ट लाइक योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. कितने साल तक एक ही आदमी में घिसोगे? चलो मैं मानता हूँ, till the death you can, okay, till death you can, but एक ही आदमी से रहोगे, so he, whenever you need something, isn't it not possible that he will be always there with you? Not always possible, right? So networking is always better, so make everyone, just make it with everyone, जितने से जितना ज्यादा हो सके. अब जितना कम करोगे भाई कोई फायदा नहीं. Because right now at this stage, when I was a mentor, I have a network in the UP very well, okay, in the Madhya Pradesh, word is Rajasthan, Gujarat. So if I have to go somewhere to and I'm going somewhere and I'm just thinking कि भाई मुझे रहना कहाँ है, चलो मैं घूमने गया, अब मैं को सोचता हूँ कि मेरे को मध्य प्रदेश में रहना गया है. अब मैं उन लोगों को जानता था, ठीक है, I called him or her, whatever, and I can get, तो मुझे पता चल जाएगा सस्ता रूम कहाँ है, या तो मेरा सबसे बढ़िया फायदा होगा कि मैं उनके घर पे रह लूँगा. So this help you, and अगर if I am getting anything like I am stuck in somewhere in that state, so that can also, they can help me to get it out from there. Make it broader, as broader as you can. So that is like connecting with the good people with a good mindset and with a diverse perspective makes great networking, and that's only a networking.
Yeah, good to hear, Himanshu. And what I feel like in a life, what we do actually when we grow, when we leave our Kishore Avastha, basically, that we called teenage Kishore Avastha. So we used to find one track. I wanna be a doctor, I wanna be an engineer, I wanna be a scientist, I wanna be a businessman, I wanna be accountant. So what we do, we specify ourselves in one route, correct? And we get our whole life accordingly. भाई ऐसा ही तो होता है. अगर मैं इस पर्टिकुलर एरिया के लिए निकला हूँ तो मैं उसी तरफ चले जाऊंगा. मैं मनाली की तरफ निकला हूँ तो मुझे पहाड़, बर्फ, नदियां ही दिखेंगी. मुझे वो कर्नाटका के टी गार्डन दिख ही नहीं सकते वहां पे. मुझे वो लद्दाख वाले पहाड़ दिख ही नहीं सकते. Isn't it? So, और I feel कि whenever we get networking ना, so if I do have a doctor, as of now we do have a great networking, correct? We are having people with different backgrounds. They all are into their learning currently. I'm not aware how many of them become engineer, doctor, vulnerable people, businessman, scientist. I could be having a great networking at my 30. 90% chances are there. Himanshu, isn't it? So,
Yes, yes. And one more thing I just wanted to add, like you just shared, like people become like this, and this. So it is always one part, like I have to become something. Like if I have to become a businessman, I connect with those people. Why so? Happens. Like if you wanted to become, people connect with doctor only. Like जिसको doctor बनना है, मैं उसी से connect to. So instead of doing this, I can prefer it like people, like if you are a businessman, your customer are going to be doctor as well, engineers as well, normal private workers as well, government sector people as well. तो अगर भाई आपने उनसे बना के रखी है पहले से ही, like the network will buy from you only. If you are offering something, the network is gonna buy from you only. So make the networking ना, business वाले लोगों को वही फायदा हो जाएगा ना. ज़्यादा नेटवर्क ढूंढ नहीं रहती है, अपना प्रोडक्ट वहीं पहले बेच को देखो, वो पसंद कर रहे तो और पसंद करेंगे. द सेम वे टू गोस टू द डॉक्टर, भाई तुम्हारे पेशेंट्स तो वही होंगे ना. मान लो in the future you started to open your think it like I'll open my hospital. And most of the people, those who do MBBS and other part of things, they used to think it. One of my friend used to think this the same way, that they used to say like कि भाई मैं ना in the future I'll open my hospital. अब हॉस्पिटल तो खोल लिया बट पेशेंट्स ही नहीं है. ठीक है, लाइक भाई हर जगह नहीं चलती. अब आपने नया नया खोला है तो भाई बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा हॉस्पिटल. भाई जिसको जो पहले से जिस डॉक्टर के पास जा रहा है वो उसी के पास जाए. डजंट मैटर आपके पास कितनी अच्छी डिग्री है, कितना एक्सपीरियंस और कितने अच्छा आप डॉक्टर हो, ऐसा नहीं होता. So if you have a good network in that society, in that area, तो भाई आपके दोस्त आपके पास ही आएंगे. आपका नेटवर्क है तो आपके दोस्त हैं. आप बोल सकते हो दे आर माई फ्रेंड, तो आपके फ्रेंड आप ही के पास आएंगे. आप फ्री में इलाज तो नहीं करोगे. बिजनेस इज नॉट अबाउट फ्री भाई, और कहीं
It's
भी
gonna
नहीं
be
होती.
charity then.
आप तो हमने हॉस्पिटल खोला है, कुछ नहीं खोला, बट तो देखो ना, वहां से भी आपको पेशेंट्स मिलेंगे. दैट्स द ग्रेट पार्ट. लाइक आप नेटवर्किंग कर रहे हो. सो दैट इज लाइक, डोंट बिकम कि मैं डॉक्टर बना तो मैं डॉक्टर से ही कनेक्ट हूँ जिसको डॉक्टर करना है. कॉमर्स वाले के साथ भी जाओ. पैसा पैसा गिनाने आप उसी के पास जाते हो.
Yeah,
ये
and that what I'm telling ना कि
असल thing.
हम लोग जब भी अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करते हैं किसी एक पर्टिकुलर रूट में, so what we see, the people we met before and the people we're gonna meet in future, that makes a very similarity. Such as अगर let's take an example, I've decided कि मेरे को भाई डॉक्टर बनना है. So in future there are 90% of people that I will meet gonna be related with this particular background or particular this industry, because फिर मेरी डायरेक्शन इस तरफ हो जाएगी, right? फिर in future I cannot taste the other varieties in the market, what business looks like, what mediatorship looks like, what other things looks like. But if I do have a platform, if I do have a great networking, also a platform like Great Networks, so definitely we can get all the people at a platform and we can have a daily basis discussion. We can get the insights of each industry with just a session, within just few minutes. It never takes 7 to 8 years to understand an industry actually, right? So that's what the power of networking is. I still remember one of my student, her name is Neha. She just told me कि there was a quote कि there will be a good luck if you do have a networking. So जहाँ पे networking होती है वहाँ पे good luck होता है. I said why, ऐसा क्यों? She said कि good luck हम किसे कहते हैं basically? Good luck is something जिसको हम कहते हैं कि if I got something unexpected, अगर मैं घर में बैठा हुआ हूँ, मेरे पापा ने जस्ट मेरे लिए कुछ ला दिया, मिठाई का डब्बा ला दिया, I was, oh my good luck. That's what my good luck is. रास्ते में जाते आते मुझे 500 रुपये मिल गया, that my good luck is. ऑफिस में जाके मेरे को प्रमोशन हो गया, दैट माई गुड लक इज. करेक्ट? वी यूज्ड टू कॉल इट डे बाय डे, ये मेरा गुड लक है. बट फ्रॉम वेयर इट कम्स फ्रॉम आवर वेल नोन पीपल, जो हमें जानते हैं. सो जितने ज्यादा लोग जानेंगे, द मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज विल गेट और द मोर गुड लक विल हैपन. सो द मोर नेटवर्किंग, द मोर गुड लक्स. दैट व्हाट आई इंडिकेट्स नेटवर्किंग इज, एंड इट इज अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म टू लर्न नेटवर्किंग बेसिकली. सो अगर आप लोग यू आर वेल डिफाइंड इन पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट, you do have a great networks around you, I'll say you are a self-developed person. You are gonna be a self-developed person, क्योंकि तुम्हारे आसपास चंगू मंगू रामू जो भी है, they all are going to teach you all those things which they are smart at, and you are already improving yourself by your personal growth and professional growth. Correct? So that's what networking looks like. So this is all about networking, what networking looks like and what self-development. But again, when we go through the cycle, we are getting self-developed, we are developing ourselves with some of the skills, we are making ourselves fully shielded. Also we are getting with the people who gonna teach us a lot of things, who wanna learn and who gonna teach all of us. Now what next actually? So bhai, I'm very good at talking, I'm very good at communication, I'm very good at my soft skills at all, और अब मेरे पास एक बहुत अच्छी नेटवर्किंग भी है. क्या करूं नेटवर्किंग का और इन सब स्किल सेट का? So Himanshu, this why for you? So
Don't say why for me. Very hate things with why for me.
So this why for you, and what next actually?
Okay, so what next? People, if I just say it, very clear thought. So what next? So people have a very Indian mindset. ठीक है, ये इंडियन माइंडसेट होता है. लाइक आई हैवंट सीन, और मैं गया भी इंडिया के बाद, मुझे क्या नहीं पता ज़्यादा बाहरों का, बट विद द रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ इंडियन माइंडसेट, पीपल जस्ट डू टू थिंग्स आफ्टर 12th ग्रेजुएशन, गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट जॉब. एवरीवन, नॉट इवन you are also doing the same thing. Okay, you are also a corporate मजदूर. The same thing you are also doing. The same thing people also do. अब वो कुछ लोग गवर्नमेंट में जाते हैं, कुछ लोग गवर्नमेंट की तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं. लाइक व्हाट आई आस्क्ड टू माय फ्रेंड्स, लाइक भाई तू क्या कर रहा है? तो दे से आई एम डूइंग SSC CGL, आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर IAS, NEET, JEE, वेरी कॉमन एग्जाम, एवरीवन हर्ड अबाउट इट. मेरे तो 2 फ्रेंड SSC वाले हैं, और इफ यू आर अ पर्सन लाइक कि मुझे कॉमर्स से हो, कोई बात नहीं, आप तभी जॉब ही कर रहे हो। अब ये CACS बन रहे हैं, इसमें भी जॉब ही कर रहे हैं। लाइक ये होता है कि कॉमर्स है भाई, थोड़ा अलग सोच के सोचेंगे भाई इतना पढ़ लिया कॉमर्स में, बिजनेस पढ़ी, बिजनेस खोलेंगे, नहीं। हम CA करेंगे, हम CS करेंगे, हम CMA करेंगे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम MBA कर लेंगे। आई डोंट नो व्हाई पीपल डोंट थिंक अबाउट अदर थिंग्स। तो भाई यही करते हैं लोग, वो क्या करते हैं, व्हाट नेक्स्ट में यही लोग करते हैं। बट वी आर गोना डू समथिंग बेटर, बिकॉज नेटवर्किंग भाई ना ही CACS में काम आ रही है, नेटवर्किंग ना ही IPS में काम आ रही है, नेटवर्किंग पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट ना ही तुम्हारे को ज्यादा बिजनेस उसमें क्या कहते हैं MBBS और JEE में काम दे रहा है। नेटवर्किंग इज मोस्टली हेल्प्स यू टू गेन अ गुड amount of money, good amount of respect in the society when you do business. If you don't believe, go to the lot of people. Right now, if I take the examples of बहुत नए लोगों का, so you have heard about Boats owner Aman Gupta, ठीक है? उसके पास भाई like he has a great networking. He used to do what he can. Bhai, like you have seen that, like his company grows in very quick succession. Like लोगों को भाई 4 साल लग रहे, 10 साल लग रहे ग्रो करने में, एक नेटवर्क को कैप्चर करने। He just takes 2 years, man, just in 2 years with the great network and the things. You have heard about the companies like the car companies like Jaguar, Land Rover, the parts of Tata. अलग कंपनी है वो, कभी अलग ही खुली थी वो। टाटा कभी कुछ था भी नहीं। टाटा के एट द स्टेज ऑफ वन टाइम टाटा शेयर वाज अराउंड 235 रुपए के मिलते थे भाई, तो कभी कभी 23 रुपए के भी मिले हैं। और अभी उसका शेयर कहाँ है? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ गुड नेटवर्क, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ नेटवर्किंग। और हम टाटा, रतन टाटा, सब वी पीपल नो अबाउट दीज पीपल जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर गुड वेल नोन बिजनेसमैन, नॉट अ गुड रेपुटेटेड डॉक्टर। डू यू नो एनी डॉक्टर? कोई बहुत बड़ा डॉक्टर पता है? कोई बहुत बड़ा CACS पता है? किसी को नहीं पता। किसी को बहुत बड़ा इंजीनियर भी नहीं पता है। लोगों को पता है कि बिजनेसमैन कौन है। We are here the same with the same thing.
Okay, so also if you summarize this particular part कि what next वाला जो रहता है part, what next में basically जो majority होती है, they look for what people are looking. I will also do जो मेरे मामा के चाचा के बेटे ने किया, या फिर जो मेरे घर वाले ने बोला, या फिर मेरे दोस्त ने किया, या फिर I'm not making my own research, क्योंकि मेरे को खुद पे कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है। I'm not enough confident to do my own research. मैं वो करूँगा जो मेरी सोसाइटी ने मुझे बताया, because वो majority है और मैं अकेला हूँ। I could be wrong, correct? Somehow this is a common scenario that everyone feels or everyone get into, or that takes this thing into next 4 year 5 years while sitting on the desk doing entries, finding some reports here and there, working in a corporate, working in a good company also, but that is something job we called job. Himanshu, let us know or let the people know what is the full form of job today, so at least they could search on the Google at least, because people are actually not aware. Or let me go with this. So job, what basically jobs look like. When I entered into this particular profile, I was showing like, working for something, or working basically, or doing a job in a company was job. I do not have any particular definition of job. But when I search means what job and what is the full form of job, that was Google need to answer you. It answered me, joining others business that we call job. That's the full form of job. So अगर हम ये चीज क्लियर कर लेते हैं अपने माइंड में कि जॉब है क्या, so we understand कि why we are working. हम लोग किसी का बिजनेस ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, इज दैट टू लर्न समथिंग, और इज दैट टू फ्यूचर में भी किसी और का बिजनेस ही ज्वाइन करना है? क्लियर? सो ऑल्सो वी से कि जॉब इज समथिंग दैट टीच अस कि तुम्हें कैसे वर्क करना है, व्हाट इज द रिलोकेशन, हाउ डू यू नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई ऑल दोस पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव टर्म्स एंड यू नीड टू वर्क अपॉन. सो आई विल से डूइंग जॉब टीच अस how to work effectively. But yeah, while if you are self-developed, if you have a great networking, at least start something your own. That's gonna be a preferred thing. So why I recommend this job का full form here is to understand कि हम लोग जो कर रहे हैं actually 90% everyone do. अगर एक businessman को करना है so वो भी rarely ऐसा होता है कि अगर उसका पूरा family background business में है then he used to directly apply into business. Otherwise most of the people used to go for placements at all. Before there किसी का भी अबाउट का अमन गुप्ता he just left his company, correct? अमन गुप्ता ने अपनी कंपनी छोड़ दी because इसने डायरेक्ट I guess he asked for either 100% or 50% I need increment of this. भाई जो उसकी डिमांड है वो सोचता है कि एक्चुअली आई नीड दिस, तो ही कुड आस्क फील फ्री. अगर कंपनी नहीं देती सो डेफिनेटली ही कुड स्टार्ट समथिंग हिज ओन एंड टुडे ही इज a competitor of that particular company that we call JBL.
Yes. So just because like people just know something and after that they have a good piece of thing. Like in the JBL, he has a good people to know. He just grow it by in own self. भाई उससे खुद से नहीं हो पाएगा. मैं खुद से बैठ जाऊं कि मेरे को ये करना है, then वो रहेगा. भाई एक मलाल रहता है दिमाग में कि भाई कैसे चलेगा आगे. मैं कब तक आगे घुसूंगा एक चीज. So that if I don't have a people of broad people, those who know about me, I can reach out to them in a business and at any places to talk to them and to discuss something. Her discussion makes people life very easy. जरूरी नहीं है उनका डिस्कशन का पूरे सजेशंस आप रख लो, उसी पे काम करना है, नहीं. डिसीजन मेक्स, क्योंकि आई विल गिव डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव, पीपल विल गिव डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव. वो डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स makes the things easier to understand and makes the things easier to go ahead. That's why we have put it this particular thing, a particular part is business discussions. अब यहाँ पे हम आपको सिखाने वाले बिल्कुल नहीं है. We are just giving a discussion to refine your idea, refine your knowledge to be better. अब देखो पर्सपेक्टिव मेरा अलग है बिजनेस के लिए, आपका अलग हो सकता है. ठीक है, मेरा मोटो अलग है बिजनेस से, आपका अलग हो सकता है. ठीक है, अब कुछ लोग होते हैं जो एनजीओ खोल के बैठना चाहते हैं, दैट इज ऑल्सो बिजनेस, नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन खोल के बैठना चाहते हैं, दैट्स लाइक मी, नॉट एनी अदर थिंग्स. ओके, सो व्हाई आई एम जस्ट सेइंग बिजनेस में एक फायदा होता है. देयर इज वन पर्टिकुलर लाइन आई फॉलो मेड बाय मी ओनली. ओके, वन पर्टिकुलर लाइन आई फॉलो इज लाइक कि बिजनेस जॉब्स गिव्स यू ईएमआई. लाइक हम जॉब लेते हैं तो हम ईएमआई पे सामान खरीदते हैं. ठीक है, जॉब करते हैं, कितनी भी अच्छी कमाई हो आपकी, भाई जॉब करोगे तो ईएमआई पे खरीदते हो मोस्टली. बट बिजनेस गिव्स यू कैश इन हैंड. कैश हैंड होगा, कोई भी सामान खरीदना होगा, भाई ये ले, नोट की गड्डी फेंकी ले भाई, ला दे मेरी चीज. तो दिस वेरी सिंपल थिंग. लाइक जॉब गिव्स यू ईएमआई, बिजनेस गिव्स यू कैश हैंड. आई फॉलो दिस पर्टिकुलर मोटो टू गोना बी रन अ फ्यूचर बिजनेस इन द फ्यूचर. Okay, so that's a very beautiful part I love about business.
Actually, nice line. Like job, if you go through the majority, the probability will be कि जो लोग ज़्यादातर salaried हैं, the people used to go for the EMIs, basically installment, because that is something easy to complete. That doesn't make burden. अगर हम वही businessman पे जाते हैं, या if you are having your own business, you do have a good earning, भाई ये ले और ये दे, that's it. उसको आगे बढ़ाना ही नहीं है, correct? But yeah,
why
they
not?
also used to keep.
One more thing is like people have a dream car, people have a dream places to visit. अब भाई EMI पे खरीदोगे और जाओगे तो अच्छा तो नहीं लगेगा, है कि नहीं? अब मान लो माई ड्रीम कार इज BMW M5. अगर मैं उसको EMI पे खरीदूं, यार नहीं, अजीब से नहीं लग रहा क्योंकि मैंने अपनी ड्रीम कार भी EMI पे खरीदी थी. 4 साल तक EMI भरी है मैंने. लुक लाइक, और वही कार में 4-5 करोड़ की कार में कैश हैंड लेके आऊँ, मैं बोल सकता हूँ भाई मैं अपनी ड्रीम कार कैश हैंड लेके आया. मतलब ना एक पर्सपेक्टिव होता है, एज अ ह्यूमन पर्सपेक्टिव मैन. लाइक इज लाइक कि अगर मैं किसी को दिखा रहा हूँ, मैं बोल के भाई कैश हैंड लेके आया था, अलग ही बनता है वो. The same way.
Actually, so that is something that to show, that to show your outer appearance as well. मतलब एक तो if you could say जहाँ पे we need actually our appearance, we actually need our era that makes effect. First thing in this thing. So while conclusion of this particular term that we call business discussions, yeah, actually business discussion gonna be a take place here, because understand, Great Network is offering you a platform which is giving you a kind of self-development by personal and professional growth while attending all those webinars, all those guest speakers in the future. Second, we're gonna grab a great networking here with different slots, different people, and a diversity on same platform. So a free of cost interaction with lots of people who gonna teach you how to do, why to do, and what no need to do as per their experiences. We'll go with some of the great discussions into their own startups that actually we need. Why not to do? Why not to try at least? At least why not to try? क्या करना है? एक, to be very honest, just need to get an idea, just need to start writing कि भाई what you really can do in business. तुम्हें क्या particular product अच्छा लगता है? किसी चीज में तो अच्छे होंगे अगर तुम self developed हो चुके हो अच्छे खासे, you do have some good skills. कोई तो एक skill तुम capture करी होगी that you can offer, you can service yourself. Correct? So just start with a camera and say, this is what I call my prices. If you want these services with me, this is what the whole elaborated things and courses are. Just start selling yourself. I'm using this word selling. Start selling yourself. Correct? So that what we are indicating this 2025. 2025 is going to be very pointed in three terms. First, we call learning, that we are indicating with personal and professional growth. Second, that we call networking. We're gonna get a great diversity over the platform. We'll meet with lots of people, not only with a background of STEM basis courses, also with the people who are actually in professionalism, such as some of the CEOs, some of the founders, some of the project managers at all. In future, we'll get some of the meetings for business discussions. All those webinars will take place. So yeah, great networks again here with personal professional growth, networking, and business discussions. At least these three things I need this 2025, nothing else. अगर मैं 2025 के एंड तक इस चीज में एक्सेल कर लेता हूँ, my 2026 will be different. और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि मेरे पास जो नेटवर्किंग है, मेरा गुड लक आ चुका है अभी तक मुझ पे कुछ ना कुछ नेटवर्किंग के थ्रू, and I'm getting a place. 2026 could be different then. Himanshu.
Yes. Okay, that's a great part. Like, which will be learning these things. This year, it should not be like I'll make the resolution and I'm not following it. Every year we are not following it. The last year I made it, I did it. Last year I thought I'll read 15 books. I read around 20-25. Like the same. मैंने एक कर लिया है. This year I have 2. This year I will make 2 resolutions. And I have not made it right now. I'll make it to tomorrow, and I'll be following the things. And I can share you with one, which is to have a great network and to have a great audience here. First one. Second one, personal. Okay, so not which you're going to share your second as well. Okay, so this is the thing. We'll learn, we'll grow, and we'll connect with a lot of people. Not only the business professionals, different industries के professionals भी होंगे यहाँ. That's the motto, and that's the one thing we are gonna do here. So don't forget, subscribe the channel, follow us on everywhere. You'll get the link below, and have a great day, have a great night.
Yep. Again,
Bye-bye.
people, have a great day ahead, have a great night at whatsoever you guys are watching this particular video. And yeah, this is a good time to call it a year. The past year, 2024, I'm talking about. Just call it a year, howsoever the year was. Some of the things, with some of the achievements, that was a fantastic year, I would say. If you are getting this particular video, good luck is coming. Means the networking is coming. So yeah, stay tuned. We all are coming with lots of webinars in future, lots of dream projects which gonna help us, which gonna help you with the price of 0.0000.com. So no prizes for this, guys. This is going to be very free for all the time, not for only for next 1 year, 2 year, for all the time in future. So yeah, stay tuned, stay blessed, and we're gonna reach you all very soon with some of the good topics and basically starting of the insights of actual Great Network. Bye bye.
Bye bye.